jumping off the cliff, gotta take a trip, slow ride when I'm off the shit, buckle in, kid.
What's up, YouTube? Hey, and we're back on another G35 episode, or update, install, whatever you want to call it. So we got a few things we're going to knock out today. We're going to go ahead and I got the last video I think I did, I told you guys we're going to get the undershroud for where I had put the oil cooler. So I got it by Z1. I'm going to show you guys here shortly. And I also picked up some new Motordyne Art Pipes that I'm going to switch out with my Tech high flow cats to see if I can get a better sound out of this thing. And prior to that, even getting to that section of the install, I have to replace the driver's side front fender liner, the Ford, that one that shapes like an L, kind of. You'll see it in a minute. Because as I showed you in that previous video, it tore off from an old Infiniti dealership doing the oil change. They didn't put it on properly back when they reinstalled it on the car. So we are going to go ahead and flip this thing around just like this and show you what we got for today. So is the fender liner I was talking about. So we're going to go ahead and install this bad boy. Motordyne Art Pipes. So we'll start there, and like I always say, let's get hot. Real quick, before we get to jacking the car up, I'm going to go ahead and do a cold start and let you guys listen to what the exhaust sounds like with the Borla catback, the Burke Technology high flow cats, and the Tomei Expreme headers. And 5, 3, 2, here we go. Alright, so when you're pulling off your fender liner, there's 3 clip-ons that go right here. 1, 2, and 3 right here. And then you're gonna have a number 10 bolt that bolts the fender liner to the actual fender. And then if we come over here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but then you have another pop in that goes here. 1, 2, all right, and then you have one that goes right up. I don't know if you guys can see where my finger is, right up in there somewhere. Wait, right here where my finger's pointing. Right, and then there's a Phillips head or shoot or cross tip screw that goes here that also bolts to the fender liner. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna go ahead and put the new fender liner together because there's some hardware that comes with it that has to get put together. So stay tuned. Well, this is a quick transition to the art pipes. I'm going to take off those bolts there, and then this bolt right here. We're going to do the same thing over there and over there. Those are 2 sensors. First thing we're going to do is take off this bracket and get it out the way. Or not. Boom. Okay. Hey, I wanted to take a quick break just to say, if you haven't already, look right down there or maybe over here somewhere. Go ahead and subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and give me a like by smashing the thumbs up button. Alright, we're gonna keep pushing. Alright, so for you guys that are doing this install for the Motordyne Art Pipes, I obviously took mine off already. It's off. This right here is gonna have to be cut down a little bit because it's going to cause interference between that and the art pipe itself. So be mindful that you guys want to cut this down. All right. By the way, this is the next day. I quit yesterday. I was tired and it was making me mad. So here we are, the next day. Alright, so those are in there for right now. We're going to go ahead and scoot back and lock this part in. Looking really nice so far. Alright, so we clean these down. £70 foot torque. Just gonna tighten them down with your torque wrench if you have one. There we go. All right, so these are in. And I go nowhere. Now I'll work on these 3. Then go to the next side. Two sensors instead. Alright, so I'm gonna move this out of the way. And now we're gonna come over here and get hot with the other side. And then I should be able to. Oh shit. Okay. hopefully clear. If not, it's like that. Here we will not. That was a mistake. This time around. First things first, we are going to hand tighten the bolts on here first. I'm gonna bring this over here because I kind of need it. If you don't have one of these, it's super useful. All right, and I know that whoever's watching, or you guys that are watching, for you guys that are watching, I know that you know that I know that we know together as a cumulative team. As a cumulative team, I know that you know that we know that together as a cumulative team, that this is well worth it for the few dollars this costs to have everything you need accessible right here. Okay, enough of that. Back to this. Okay, that's good. I'm going to hand tighten hand tighten. There we go. All right. All right. Okay. Perfect. All right. Hey, so check it out too. These are Burke Tech high flow cats. All right, I'm gonna go let you guys know on the channel if you want to buy them. Let them go for $200. It has all the bolts included. The only thing that you're gonna have to do is go out and purchase new gaskets. They're not broken. They work fine. They're only, I want to say, 4 years old. All right. Hit me up in my email or on Instagram. It's on the YouTube page, Burke High Flow Cats. All right. And I let those go. Just let me know if you want them.
Focus on your chakras, line it up and do it proper.
You know I'm wrong with the shadows, I'm wrong